the Logona colour creams are very easy to use. You can either mix, you can just squeeze them out of the tube and put them on your hair. So if you want, you can mix them together. In that case you'd need a bowl and a spoon to mix them together. Right now we're going to mix the copper blonde with the nuggets cream. So we just put in, I'm going to mix half and half. So you have to remember that if you're not going to use the whole tube, don't put too much, don't squeeze out too much, because once you've squeezed it out into the bowl you can't use it again. So I'm just guessing here, there's about half of each, half copper blonde and half nugget brown. This combination is useful for blonde hair if you want to cover grey. Sometimes the copper blonde is either too light on its own or too coppery. When you mix it with the nugget, you can darken it a little bit and make it a bit less coppery. So I'm just stirring it up here, and then it's ready to apply. You can either, some people would just put it on with the fingers. You put the gloves on here, and then you can apply it with this brush here. You can apply it with this brush, or you can just put it on with your fingers. If you apply it with a brush, then it's going to be more accurate. If you want to be careful about covering the grey hair, then putting it on in sections with a brush will be more accurate, and it will help to make sure that you don't miss any bits. If you don't need to be fussy, like you don't mind if you miss any bits or you don't completely cover your grey, then you can, just to be quick and easy, you can put it on with your fingers, and then once you put it on, you put this shower cap on, and then wrap your head with a towel to keep your head warm. If you've got grey to cover and your grey is proving to be hard to cover, then if you apply a hairdryer after you've put the cap on, apply a hairdryer for say about 10 or 15 minutes, and then put the towel on, and then leave it on for the desired length of time. For dark hair, maybe 2 hours. For lighter coloured hair, half an hour or an hour.